Hey guys! If you haven't seen the video of this tail in the water, you need to watch that video. I am so excited. This thing works amazing. So now I'm gonna make it pretty. Originally my idea was I was going to cover the whole tail again with more silicone and more sparkles and whatever. Turns out this is actually fine, feels good, fits nice. So what I'm gonna do is make more like individual scales, and I'm gonna build the sparkle right into the silicone. So it's not really gonna fall off or anything like that. What I'm doing right now though is, because I'm not doing that whole heavy second coat, I'm just going over some of the places where my yarn is kind of sticking out a little bit, because I just want to cover that up. Make it resist a little bit of the water a bit more, because I don't want it to go moldy or anything in there, so we'll just fill that over a little bit better. And you know, probably glitter it too, because glitter! Some of that's gonna come off. That was the funny thing, swimming with this, there was like glitter on the top of the pool, sort of the excess stuff that kind of came off, but it's okay. Okay, so what my big idea is I am going to, see all these pretty little glitter packets? What I'm gonna do is dump one of these whole things into a plastic bag, put a bunch of silicone in, kind of smush it around, and make pretty much gems out of silicone and sparkles. So we've got, this is the one that we were using up at the top, because I couldn't find the exact same color I was using. So that's the one we've been using a lot of. I got this silver one, but it refracts really, really nicely, so you get kind of a rainbow glitter off of it. Love that.
I'm not sure the camera's picking that up, but it looks pretty cool.
And I've got like a bright green, a light blue, and then we've got all of these itty bitty little ones. So I think I'm gonna start with this because I have more of it, and then I'll have a better idea of how much I'm gonna use, how much I'm gonna need. And then these will sort of be like the last ones that I do, almost like the final jewelry over top of everything else. So let's do this. Glitter. Oh, can you see how it's refracting?
I'm not sure the camera's getting that, but
Oh.
very iridescent.
And silicone. Don't need that to hit the dogs. That would be funny though.
Mm-hmm. There's a reason you're not doing this on carpet.
I'm just gonna smush it all around and then slide it back into the corner and sort of pipe it out like icing. Ooh.
Yeah, again, I'm not sure the camera's getting that, but that's mixed quite well, actually.
Mm-hmm. I think I need more silicone.
Which is a good sign. It means you can get a lot out of a bit of sparkle, glitter.
We are learning on the fly. Oh, wow. Look at it. Oh, I hope you can sort of even see that. Because that's amazing.
Like liquid iridescence.
That is awesome.
I'm not sure the camera's quite getting it.
I was super impressed with the way the sun reflected off this like micro glitter, because that's what it is. It's like an extra fine glitter, and it looked so nice in the sunshine. Okay. Looks like there's a chunk here that I didn't even glitter, so.
So you're gonna smoosh that, or you're gonna leave it just like that?
I think I'm gonna smush it with the spoon.
Some
There we go.
older silicone on there. Alright, I'm getting shadow here. That is neat.
Ooh, that is cool.
Mm-hmm.
I think I might sort of band that up a little bit. Just sort of alternate. Sort of like roofing.
Sure.
Ooh, that is nice. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have a couple of baggies kind of ready to go, and I can just intermix the odd other color one
Right.
as I'm going. Ooh,
That'd be nice, yeah. Cool.
got another bag. I think I could probably put like way more silicone in here than I did.
Hmm.
It's all so very glittery. It's kind of frozen, hey?
Yeah. It's funny. That's very bright. Oh. Run away with Flamingo! There goes the unicorn! Oh, deck chair. I'll go get the deck chair out of the pool. Get you back up. Ooh. That definitely pops, eh?
Mm-hmm.
For how bright that is, it ends up being a bit more subtle after it's squished out.
Ooh, I like it. This is cool. I love this. And the base coat of silicone is doing exactly what I hoped it would do, because this is the perfect size. So I don't have to worry about it like stretching or like doing anything weird, because it is what it is. And it's not moving anywhere.
You have a form base that you know fits, and then you're just able to build on top of it. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, so clearly, now that I'm seeing what this looks like, scaling the whole thing. Who knew?
Yeah.
Once again, proof of concept. I like it. We're gonna do some more, and you'll end up seeing what it looks like. Later.